Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you something that's pretty troublesome. So I replaced the screen, and as you can see here, because I don't have the film coating here that comes with the original, I'm not able to stop the light from going through here, and obviously see-through tape is the worst possible option. I thought of maybe using the old screen, like cutting off a piece and then putting it on here to stop the light. That's probably the only thing that I can do here to block out the light, but that just goes to show that whoever engineered this wasn't really thinking. And I know Monoprice has some very good engineers. I'm hoping what they could do in future versions of this printer is make it so that you can easily slide a new screen right underneath here without having to remove the tape that's on here. Because even if you wanted to, what you have here is a piece of glass, okay? And the piece of glass here stops you from getting to the screen. And you can't remove this piece of glass because it's fitting on top. So basically there's no way of getting the screen off, and that's very poorly designed setup here. So that's my rant for the day. I'll show you what happens when you test the other test. Seems to work pretty well, but again, I need to cover up this or it will start curing resin, and that's really not a good thing. See you in the next one.